Hello everyone! Today I would like to present a few examples best practices in data visualization. I have already created measures, and in this case I will use sales amount, month name and product. Let's check a first visual, which is called stocked column. Bigger, can make bigger this chart and add information about values, and it is easy to say that in October was the biggest sales, but from the other hand it is a little bit mess in case of ordering. So we have in each column the products are ordered by the name, not by the values from the lowest to the highest, for example. So it can be confusing. Let's switch to the second chart, which is called clustered column. And here we have very good overview which product has the biggest sales in each month. And it is very useful. Even the differences between values are very small, like in March between product Amarilla and Carretera. But from the other hand, it is hard to say in which month was the biggest, maybe not the biggest, but if we compare 2 months, June and July, and in which month was the biggest bigger sales, in June or July, it is hard to say on using this clustered column. The third visual, I think it is one of the underrated. It's called a ribbon chart. In this chart we can in easy way compare sales amount between months, for example between June and July, like in previous example was a little bit hard, and also it is sorted for each month from the lowest to the highest values. And this is useful because now we can see in very easy way that this product has top sales 3 months in a row, and then this product has top sales 2 months in a row. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.